How much should you actually spend on a vocal processor for live performance? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, Flamma FV01. First off, we have the Flamma FV01 vocal effects processor. Priced at $125.99, this one instantly caught my eye because it's labeled a bestseller. If you want a solid pitch correction with some cool effects, this is worth a serious look. This means you can tailor your sound based on the venue you're performing in, which is great for connecting with your audience. Plus, it can act as a microphone amplifier or a stomp box, giving you versatility in how you set up your performance. With 1,200 reviews and a solid 4-star rating, it's clear that many users appreciate the convenience and quality it provides. Now, some people complained about the foot switch being a bit too sensitive. Here's the thing though, if you're careful during your performances, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. Just be aware that it might take some getting used to. This is perfect for you if you're an up-and-coming singer looking to enhance your live performances without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you need something with advanced features or extensive effects. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want more options in their vocal effects. Product number 2, Zoom V3. Next up is the Zoom V3 vocal processor, retailing at $279.99. This caught my attention for its promise of 16 voice effects and 3-part harmonies, making it a great choice for both live performance and streaming. If you're after versatility and studio quality sound, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The V3 not only optimizes any mic with a built-in enhancer, but it also allows for up to 3-part harmonies. So if you're a solo artist who wants to add more depth to your vocals, this device can do that effortlessly. Plus, with 3.5 hours of battery life, you're not tied down by power outlets while performing. It's perfect for live gigs or recording sessions. Plus, it has a solid 4.4-star rating from 540 reviews. Now, some users mentioned that it might feel a bit overwhelming at first due to all the features. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, the possibilities are pretty amazing. It's really about dedicating some time to learn the ins and outs. This is perfect for you if you want a processor that does it all and you're willing to invest a bit of time to master it. Skip this one if you prefer something simpler or more straightforward. Now, if the complexity of the V3 bothered you, the next product is all about making your life easier while still delivering quality sound. Product number 3, Boss VE22. Coming in at $384.99, we have the Boss VE22 Vocal Performer. This one really stands out for its advanced multi-effects and harmony functions. If you want a powerful tool that can enhance your stage presence, this is worth a serious look. It's intuitive to use, allowing you to switch between various effects like compression, EQ, and delay with ease. Automatic pitch correction is also included, which means you can focus on your performance rather than worrying about hitting every note perfectly. With a 4.4-star rating from 198 reviews, it's clear that many find it reliable for live settings. Now, some users found the price a bit steep for their needs. Here's the thing though, if you're serious about your craft, this investment can bring your performances to a whole new level. This is perfect for you if you're a serious performer looking to expand your sound. Skip this one if you're just starting out and want a budget option. Alright, that was a powerful option. But if you want something that blends portability with unique effects, the next product is definitely worth considering. Product number 4, TC Helicon VoiceLive 3 Extreme. Next, we have the TC Helicon VoiceLive 3 Extreme, priced at $569. This is a hefty investment, but if you're looking for unrivaled vocal and guitar effects, this one might be for you. If you want to take your performances to a whole new level, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The VoiceLive 3 Extreme is not just about vocal effects. It allows you to import backing tracks and automate effects, which is perfect for solo performers who want a full band sound. With next-generation harmony processing and looping capabilities, you can create a rich audio experience that captures your audience right from the first note. Now, some people pointed out that it can be a bit complicated to navigate initially. Here's the thing though, once you get accustomed to it, the creative possibilities are endless, making it a worthy investment for serious artists. This is perfect for you if you want a comprehensive solution that integrates vocals and guitar seamlessly. Skip this one if you're looking for something more straightforward or within a lower price range. Now, if the price of the VoiceLive 3 Extreme made you hesitate, the last option on our list may be more budget-friendly while still offering great features. Product number 5, Roland AIRA E4. Finally, we have the Roland AIRA Compact E4 Voice Tweaker, priced at $269.99. This device captured my attention with its promise of transforming your vocals with powerful effects. If you're looking for a fun and creative way to enhance your vocal performances, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The E4 offers a unique combination of vocal processing features, including auto-pitch, harmony, and vocoding, all in a portable format. You can shape your sound with pitch sliders and even introduce rhythmic effects with the scatter knob, which adds a whole new layer to your live shows. With a 4-star rating from 128 reviews, many users appreciate its compact size and creative potential. Now, some users mention that it feels a bit plastic and less sturdy compared to others. Here's the thing though, for the price and portability, it's an excellent value, especially if you're looking for something lightweight to carry around. This is perfect for you if you're a vocal artist wanting something versatile and fun that you can easily transport. Skip this one if you prefer a more rugged build or extensive features. So to wrap it all up, we've covered 5 great vocal processors. The Flamma FV01 is excellent for beginners, while the Zoom V3 offers versatility for performers. The Boss VE is a solid choice for those looking to enhance their stage presence. The TC Helicon VoiceLive 3 Extreme is for serious artists wanting a comprehensive setup. And the Roland AIRA E4 is great for those who want a portable and creative tool. Whichever you choose, remember to pick one that fits your needs and performance style.